Terrariums are such a huge trend right now, but what if we make them edible? So I've got a really fun project for you to do. I had so much fun making them, and guess what? I've made them healthier. Yep, it's layered with crumbly biscuits, creamy chocolate mousse, chocolate muffin crumbles, and decorated with edible flowers and rocks. This beautiful edible chocolate terrarium is great as a gift or even as a birthday cake. Here's how I did it. Let's start with the first layer, which is the edible sand. For this, you can either use graham crackers, whole wheat, or digestive biscuits. Simply place the biscuits into a ziplock bag and crush them using a rolling pin or pastel until you get a sand-like texture. As for the second layer, we're making the moist soil. For this, it has to be my 3-ingredient chocolate mousse recipe. So what you'll need are 1 packet or 300 grams of silken tofu, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey. All you have to do is blend all the ingredients until smooth. Then pour into a bowl and chill in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours or until slightly firm. Now let's move on and make the dirt. I'm going to bake some Chia chocolate muffins. The ingredients you'll need are 3/4 cup of oat flour, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of nut butter, 1 part of chia mixture, which is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 3 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey, 1/2 cup of any milk of your choice. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix in all the dry ingredients. Stir until well combined. In a separate bowl, mix in all the wet ingredients. To make the batter, pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture. Continue stirring until you get a thick and consistent batter. Then scoop the batter evenly into 6 muffin tins. Bake for about 15 minutes until the muffins are cooked through. Then allow them to cool down and just use your hands to crumble them up. For the topping, I've used crushed pistachios, chocolate-covered nuts and raisins, edible chocolate stones, and edible flowers. Now that you got all your layers ready, this is the really fun part. Let's put them together. You can either use a jar, bowl, or even wine glasses. So take about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of the crushed biscuits to make the sand layer. Spread it out evenly. Next is the moist soil. Scoop the chocolate mousse and gently layer it on top of the sand. Now let's put some dirt on top, which will be the chocolate muffin crumble. Now that you have all 3 layers, let's decorate it. Sprinkle some crushed pistachio to mimic the grass. Then arrange the edible rocks and also chocolate-covered nuts and raisins. And for the final touch, place your flowers right in the middle. And there you have it, a really healthy, edible chocolate terrarium you can make and gift your family and friends. It's simple, it's stunning, it's healthier, and hey, you made this. Now let's try it. Every bite is just filled with the crunchy, crumbly texture of chocolate and also the moist from the chocolate mousse. This is so good and it's just pure chocolate heaven. Try it out, make it, tag me at Joanna Soh Official, #JSohRecipes. And remember, it is all about having fun, it is all about being creative, and I want to see your version. Be sure to like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more healthy recipes, workout videos, and also fitness tips. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I share a new video. All the best! Back to eating more.